the Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make the brush your teeth craft, okay? Yeah! First, print out your paper, colored, and on thick paper if possible. Next, grab your scissors and we're gonna cut it out. Be careful to stay on the line, okay? The nicer you cut it out, the better it will go together. This part's kind of hard. Be careful. And the other side. Okay, now it looks like this. And we're gonna fold on this line here, okay? Line up the top like this and fold carefully, okay? And it should look like this. Yeah, now let's fold the top like this, nicely, and fold the bottom like this. Great. Now grab your scissors and we're gonna make a cut here. Be careful, don't cut too much. Yeah, and do the same with the other side. Wow. And grab some glue or a stapler, whichever you like better. Now, turn it over and fold these tabs up like this. And on the other side. Great. Now, wrap it around like this. And either glue it or staple it. There's one. And there's two. And do the same with the other side, okay? Wow, we're almost done. There's one. And two. Wow, and we're all finished. Pretty cool, eh? These look great. Don't forget to use thick paper, okay? It works a lot better. Hey, let's see my friend's teeth. Wow, they're great. Hey, let's watch a video about brushing your teeth. Brush your teeth, teeth, brush your little teeth. Brush your little teeth with me. Brush your teeth, teeth, brush your little teeth. Come on and brush them with me. Brush, brush, brush them till they're nice and white. Brush them in the morning, afternoon and night. To brush your teeth, teeth, brush your little teeth. Come on and brush them with me. I brush them up, brush them down. Brush them, round and round. To brush them left, brush them right. Brush them till they're nice and white. To brush your teeth, teeth, brush your little teeth. Brush your little teeth with me. Brush your teeth, teeth, brush your little teeth. Come on and brush them with me. Brush, brush, brush them till they're nice and white. Brush them in the morning, afternoon and night. To brush your teeth, teeth, brush your little teeth. Come on and brush them, brush them, brush them, brush them. Come on and brush them with me. Yeah! Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah!